Okay, today I received these 3 boxes, these massive boxes, and it's a new sofa. It's a Eskilstuna, I believe that's spelled right. 2 seats and 1 meter and 90 wide. And I believe it's not going to be very hard to assemble because it's only 3 boxes, and I believe this one and this one are just the seats, and that's the armrest. So let's do it. Okay, so the first thing to do is probably open this massive box and see what's inside. I believe it's assembled already, but I don't know. I tried to find something on YouTube to see how it's done, and I haven't found anything, so I believe this is not that hard to do. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, let's see. Okay, so now what I have to do is just cut the duct tape here, and this probably will open like the top part. Okay, and okay. I believe this assembling tutorial is going to be extremely quick. Probably the quickest one I've ever done because it's already assembled, I believe. So let's see. So we have some pillows, the manual, some hardware, and this is the other way around, I believe. So let's see. Like this. Cut one, cut two, then cut the duct tape here. 2. And this unveils like a present. So 1, 2. Okay, so this way it's even easier. Unwrap it. This is a good way to manage the packaging because it's massive. Because it comes already almost assembled, the box is just as big as the sofa. So do like this, and now turn this like this, and you can take the part all together. Okay, so very easy. Okay, so this part is exactly the same thing. So you cut the duct tape there. Okay, open it like a present. All right. Okay, great. And now let's put it down here, and we have the tools to make some way. Okay, so this is how it comes inside the box untouched. Okay, and that is how it comes without the pillow already. And now we're going to take the first part to assemble. So here you have this little part. Take this out from both sides. Yet take the pillow and take the other part here. Okay, and put it here. Okay, now place these two together. Okay, one from each side. Put this together, and from this back take this screw, the nut, the head, put it together like this. You can do this to all of them already until it's done, and then let's put them like so. Okay, so let's put the screw in. All right, and now put this piece and then the nut. Okay, then grab a 13. Okay, and one like this one. Hold this part on this side. Okay, I'm using the level 15, okay? And I think it's more than enough to hold them together. Okay, it's time to open this box and take out the armrests because this part is already done. Just need to screw that. So let's open it. Okay, so it's already open. I don't know why. Let's just open it like this. Leave it this way and just grab the pieces one by one. One armrest and the other one. So they come together, assembled, I mean, and yeah, that's it. So let's put it in place. It has some things inside. So a pillow, one is for the armrest, and it has as well a box with more hardware. So yeah, nice. It's like secret rooms. Okay, let's put it in place. So put the wood part, the exposed wood, to the same direction as this. Okay, so just like this, align it, and the process is the same, just put the screw in. Okay, so let's do it. So here we have to put this one that I forgot, one here, and one there. So in the bag that came in the armrest, it came with this tool, so use it. So let's put this in place now. The process is always the same, so put the screw between the two wood pieces and then put this piece, a washer I believe, and then the nut. Let's take the other armrest piece out and put it in place as well. The sun is shining now. Use the light, the extra light. Okay, put it in place. Take the pillow, don't forget the pillow. It comes inside the armrest. So I'm using the screw from this side to the inner part of the armrest. So I believe it's the easiest way to do it, and it's how the manual says to do. So let's do exactly how they say. Lift a little bit the armrest to be able to put it in place. Okay. I let the screwdriver run a little bit to sink in the tightness of the two pieces, and I believe it's the way to go. Okay, done. Okay, I believe this is the most trickier part. I have to take this piece. It's a complete piece. It's like the chaise-longue, and I have to turn it around like this, and the slimmer part, this part, the slimmer one, you have this and this, so the slimmer part has to fit there. So let's try to lift this. Oh. Okay, I believe this is it. Okay, the first part, it was easier than I thought, so let's see the other one, but I believe I have to screw this one first, so let's see that first. Okay, this part was actually pretty easy to put this part in place, and now we have to screw the chaise-longue or the seating area to the armrest. So use the same tools and the same hardware, and put one in this hole here. You have to lift it a little bit and find the hole. Okay, yeah, one is in place. Put right away the nut, not to not slide off. And now try to find the other one. Okay, it wasn't that hard to put this part in place. I thought it was going to be a lot harder. So let's put the other seat poof in place and screw it to this armrest and see how it goes. Let's grab this piece like so. Probably like this. It's easier, or no. So grab it from the back like I did before. like so and put it in place. Grab here. And now to lift it, it's better from that side and then adjust just in this side. So it's the same thing. So put one in this side, in the armrest. So one and one on the top. Here, find the other side. This part is not very straightforward, let me just say. So just jiggle wiggle a little bit and it goes to place. Yep. Now to finish this screwing part, let's say, we have just 2 more screws, and those are to put these two together, the seating area. So let's adjust them into place. Put 1 screw, 2 screws, the washers, 1 and 2, and then the bolts, and yeah, and now screw them, and this part is done. Then what we have to do is just put the feet in place too. But this is a assembly that you can do easily on your own. It's very easy, very simple, very straightforward. Now use 2 of these, okay? They are just 2, a pair, not this one, okay? This is the smaller one, as you can see. This one, the bigger ones, okay? And put 1 here. They are very awkward, big pieces of plastic. I believe it's for easy sliding. But yeah, put it in place, just like so. Okay, give it a good turn. Okay, it's very easy like this. 1, 2 big turns. Okay, and then use the smaller ones to put in the other sides of the sofa, in the armrest. Here, 1, 2. Give a good twist. Here, another one. I think it's almost finished. At least it in here, in the below part. And the other one is where? Probably, I don't know. Another one here. Okay, it's just 2 here. I thought that we had 1 here, but no. It's just 2 in the armrest, 2 here, below here, 2 here, and the other 2 in here. So 1. But the sofa looks great, and the textile, it's nice. Good. Now to finish this part, we have just a little, very small step, and this is take this Velcro and attach it to the bottom, like so. So take the Velcro, do like so, to inwards, and attach it to the wood part, so this part. So the sofa, it's almost done. Now let's put it in place, and this is actually the place where it's going to be. So it needs to be very carefully put in place. Here you probably need a hand. Fuck, it's heavy. Oh gosh. Okay, the sofa, it's really beautiful. I hope it's not that big for the place, but I took the measurements and it's slightly bigger than it should be, but let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, it matches with my chair. Okay, now we have to zip the back part. So pull the seat area and zip it. So grab the 2 pieces and just zip them. Okay, one part is done. So pull up. Okay, pull, find the zipper, put the two textiles together and zip it. Okay, so this is how it looks completely open, and this is closed. By the way, I'm matching as well. So grab the headrests and use these two connectors to put it in this area. So very straightforward. So 1 and 2. And now the other one. You need to twiddle a little bit. I believe this sofa is all about twiddling a little bit. So do it and it's in place. So the last touch is the pillows for the armrests. So let's put one here and another here. Now let's put this to there, and now pull this, put this there, and just rest. Okay, so this IKEA sofa, we tested out about 3 times on IKEA, and we thought to ourselves, this sofa, it's very, very comfortable. We have to get it. And I'm going to do a review of it in about 2 or 3 months to see if it's actually that comfortable. But so far, so good. I'm loving it. I think I'm going to sleep now because it is so freaking comfortable, and it's small. For my place, it's ideal. So if you like this assembling process, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments as well. Subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.